guys, it's your boy. Today, I'm gonna show you, this is gonna be a tutorial video, how to fix a cracked screen. See, this phone's really cracked up. Well, there's a long story to that. But if you don't want to go to a store and get a screen replacement, there's a way you can do it with the exact same screen without using a penny. The first step you want to do is get some hand sanitizer, any type of hand sanitizer. Just pop it open and just put it right on there. And then you'll rub it all into the cracks. See how it kind of disappearing already? See? And also, it actually cleans the screen too. So if you're a germaphobe, this would be perfect for you. See how the cracks getting better already? Look at that. Look at that. It's almost gone. It's almost disappeared. The second step you want to do is grab the Z Max or any crack phone you got and just slam it on the floor. You might have to do it a couple times to get it right. If you want your screen to be super shiny and make sure it won't crack again, you can rub dirt on it for reinforcement. The dirt gets inside the little cracks and it will just form into the cracks, and then it will just also disappear, make it nice and slick and also stronger. For this dirt step, you want to grab something hard that has a really hard bottom to it and just hit it. After you finish smashing all the dirt inside the cracks, you want to open the phone at the back side. After you take out the back, next thing you want to do is take out the battery. Like, try it. Wow, doesn't that one come out? Sometimes you need something to pry it open to get sure it gets out nice. Wow. Oh wow. Something got wedged in there, you know. Yeah, so the easiest way is to put it between something and make sure the object you want to pry it with is all the way in there and pull back. Like so. See that? Nice and simple. After you take the cover off of the battery, if the battery doesn't want to come out, just skip it. It's really not needed, just to make sure. If you just take the battery out, it makes the screen even harder. But if you can't take it out, then it's alright. Your screen's going to be fixed anyway. The next step is you want to bend the phone all the way back, like so. Like that. So you go back and forth. Get right in there. The next thing you want to do is go to the side right here. This will be a little opening right there. Then you push up, make sure that comes apart. Like so. After you made a little handle for yourself right here, you want to wedge this back in that gap or whatever, and then bend the opposite way, like so. Make sure you crack it right in half, peel it right off. Now you see the screen already getting better. Right now you can see there's no cracks, almost no cracks. I almost got them all the way. See, just a little bit right there, or right in the bottom right there. But don't worry, I'll show you how to get rid of it. I should be wearing gloves for this. My hands are all dirty. Next up is to get the little handle right here that you made for yourself and rip it right off. If it wants to come off, see, there you go. With the little handle, you want to see that the gap you put in your phone in to bend it back and forth. You want to get right in the middle, put the screen right in the middle, and then just push right through, like so. What we will do next is gather the cracks to one line, and then is where you get that big line, so the cracks will just disappear because it's going in your body. So the cracks would just wind up going to a toilet or something. If you cough blood, that means you're doing it right. And for the final step, guys, you'll make a little cut on your finger, place it right in the middle, like so, and then you will call upon Satan. First you gotta do the circle, and then you gotta put Daddy on the bottom, put it right in the middle with the cover, the handle. After you do that, you want to say Daddy 3 times. Daddy, Daddy, Daddy. So after you called upon Daddy Satan, your cracks will be completely disappeared, will be completely gone, and it will be upgraded too, because he will give you a item inside and a Windows 7 starter. So see, nice, no cracks at all, nice and brand new. No cracks. It gets launched way faster too. So you get the 2 benefits of this. Your screen will be nice, crystal clear, and also your phone will be lot times fast. It's like 1200 gigabytes of RAM. Look at that shit go. So if this works for you for your cracked phone, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want me to make a tutorial about anything. Any tutorial you want to be done, put it in the comments and I will do it. So that will be it for today. I hope you guys enjoy and works for you. Hopes it makes your phone run way better and also fixes the cracks on your screen. And have a good day.